AI has always been sold to us as a threat, but for something that consequential, that framing is really damaging because it usually pushes people into one or two corners, either complete avoidance or blind delegation. Both those positions miss the real opportunity here, which is collaboration. So why does the fear run so deep? I was listening to this talk from Saria Zoot, and there was this very interesting explanation. Part of the issue is in the name itself. Artificial intelligence makes it sound alien, like something other, separate from us. But instead, we should be using the word collective intelligence because that's really what it is. A whole lot of aggregated human knowledge readily available at your fingertips. That reframe is actually pretty cool because now your perspective changes. You're no longer really asking yourself, oh, is this going to replace me? But now it's more so about, what can I do with it now? What can I do with this? Or what can I become if I lean into this? So this is where intentional human AI work comes in, or human AI collabo, as I like to call it. I think of it as like a spectrum, not as in like worst to best, but in how much agency and intention you're bringing. On one end, you have healthy delegation, not the blind kind that I mentioned at the beginning, but the intentional kind. So here you'd be saying, handle this part so I can focus on what matters. Here you're still deciding what to hand off and why. And then there's true collaboration, the back and forth that expands your thinking, not just your work. Because again, we're dealing with collective intelligence, right? Aggregated human knowledge at your fingertips. Sometimes you're refining what you've started, sometimes you're exploring new territory, but either way, you're expanding what you can think to make, not just executing quicker. But what's going to make that possible? Your perspective, your expertise, decisions that only you can make, right? That's human AI collabo. This stuff takes work. If you're not willing to wrestle with it, to let it push and evolve your thinking, you're just stuck at delegation. You're not actually collaborating here. So in this new reality where intelligence is available in every nook and cranny, this is what AI literacy means, shaping it instead of being shaped by it.